The ATEC 1.5TB kit, 12 by 128GB, RAM is a powerful upgrade designed specifically for the Apple Mac Pro 2019. If you're using the Mac Pro 7, 1 models A1991 or A2304, particularly the 24-core 2.7 GHz or 28-core 2.5 GHz configurations, this memory kit can significantly enhance your system's performance. This kit features 12 128GB DDR4 DIMM modules, delivering a whopping 1.5 TB of memory capacity. With a memory speed of up to 2,933 MHz and a PC4-23400, PC4-2933Y rating, it ensures your Mac Pro operates at optimal speed and efficiency. One of the standout features of this RAM is its ECC, error correcting code, load reduced DIMM, LRDIMM, technology. This means it's designed to detect and correct internal data corruption, providing a more reliable and stable computing experience, which is crucial for high-performance tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and other intensive applications. The 4RX4, Quad Rank X4, configuration further enhances the memory bandwidth and overall performance. It's important to note that this memory is ECC LRDIMM and cannot be mixed with other types such as ECC RDIMM, ECC UDIMM, or non-ECC UDIMM. Mixing different types of memory can lead to compatibility issues and system instability. Therefore, ensure your system's existing memory is compatible or consider replacing it entirely with this kit for the best results. ATEC has subjected these memory modules to rigorous quality control tests to ensure they meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. This attention to detail means you can trust this RAM to deliver consistent and dependable performance. Plus, the memory modules adhere to the JEDEC DDR4 standard and operate at 1.2V, ensuring they run efficiently without unnecessary power consumption. Installation is straightforward, but always refer to your Mac Pro's manual for proper guidelines to avoid any mishaps. Once installed, you'll notice a substantial improvement in your system's ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, load applications faster, and overall smoother performance. Backing up this product is ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Additionally, their knowledgeable tech support team is available to assist you before and after your purchase, ensuring you have all the help you need for a seamless upgrade experience. Overall, the ATEC 1.5TB kit is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to maximize the potential of their Mac Pro 2019. Whether you're a creative professional, data scientist, or just someone who needs a powerhouse machine, this memory upgrade can transform your computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.